How to check battery drain after Android 15 update in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, check battery drain apps. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down. Click on battery. Now here you will see battery drain apps. Now go back. After that, turn off RAM plus. Open setting now. In setting, click on search bar. Search RAM plus and click on RAM and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off RAM plus from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on about phone. Scroll down. Click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, contact, photo and video, apps, accounts, backup, SD card will be erased or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix battery drain after Android 15 update in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.